Hello everyone, this is Eva speaking. Let me give you a very quick tutorial on how to share a specific review for a restaurant. So I'm on Yelp already and I land in a specific restaurant called Ghost Ranch. It's one of my favorite restaurants in Tempe. And then as we can see, you can see a lot of information. And if we scroll down to the parts where actual reviews would appear, we can see many of them, and assuming you want to share one of them, but not all of them, all right? You're going to trace the dots here and then click share review. And then here is the URL that you can copy and paste onto your Google Doc for this assignment. Because some people don't know how to share a specific review. Instead of generating a link to one of the review, they simply copy and paste the URL of the entire web page, which is not the way we do it. That means if you just copy and paste the URL in the like this, it's not gonna work. All right. So hope this tutorial is helpful.